boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Aurora, talented Aurora, with her song called You Keep Me Crawling. So this one is pretty easy to play, yet beautiful. So yeah, start right away. We need to, and no need for any capo here on the song. We have 5 different chords to learn, so let's go for the A minor. So A minor is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is E. So open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have D minor, open D, second G, third B, and first E. G, that is third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And final chord will be F, so you bar all strings here on the first fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. So A minor, E, D minor, G, and F. Alright, so we have the first verse. This starts in a little bit different way. So the chords will be A minor to E, to D minor, and to G. And this one you just do downs, and you will do 10 downs for each chord. And you do something like this. So only this chord progression, and that is the first verse. So you play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. D minor. And G. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so that is the first verse. Now the pre-chorus in the lyrics, but why does it make me feel like I'm weak and small? So the chord progression here will be A minor to E, to D minor, and to G. Exact same chord progression as in the verse, but now we need to learn a strumming pattern. So let's illustrate that one with an A minor. That is the first chord, and the strumming will sound like this. Alright, so you play down, clap, down, down, clap. That is one round. So again, down, clap, down, clap. Alright, so this is one round. You're gonna play 2 rounds for each chord. So 2 A minors, 2 E's, 2 D minor, and 2 G's. Sorry, in the end of this G here, you're just gonna play 1 round and then you give it a small break. And that it builds up for the chorus. So 2 rounds for each chord except for the last one, G, only 1. That will sound like this. Short pause, and that takes us to the chorus. So you keep me crawling on my knees. So that's where we are in the lyrics. The chord progression for the chorus will be A minor to F, to D minor, and to G. So this one differs a little bit here. Instead of E, you play F, otherwise the same. So that is the chord progression. You will play that for 2 rounds. And now we will learn a new strumming pattern. It's pretty similar, but it's a little bit more to work with. So this one sounds like this, and I played with an A minor. So let's go. Right, so that was one round. So slowly it's down, clap, down, up, down, clap. So again, down, clap, down, up, down, clap. Down, clap, down, up, down, clap. You're gonna play 2 rounds for each chord. So 2 A minors, 2 F, 2 D minor, and 2 Gs. That is 1 chord progression. Play that for 2 rounds. And a round will sound like this. Alright, so from now on there's not much new to this song. The second verse is played with the same chords, but instead of doing this 10 downs for each chord, you will now use the strumming we learned for the pre-chorus. So that was down, clap, down, clap. So A minor. And you play 2 rounds for each chord. So that's the second verse. Second pre-chorus is played in the same way as the first one we learned. And the chorus that comes right after is played in the exact same way that we just learned for this chorus. The only difference here is instead of 2 rounds, you play now for 3 rounds, right? And then this beautiful song ends with an outro in the lyrics, if I stop believing, maybe you will see. So that's an outro part there. And this part is about A minor, E, D minor, and that is how it ends. There's no G in the end here, it's just a kind of a vocal part. And you will play this 3 chords, A minor, E, and D minor, with only 1 down per chord. And finally G, and that is how Aurora's You Keep Me Crawling ends. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and if you did, please let me know. I like to doing tutorials and give to you, and I hope you appreciate that. So let me know that. Please thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you soon. Most of all, play tuned.